Konnichiwa and annyeonghaseyo. This is Sir Vino Manuel Cleto or Hem Cleto. So I have the 11 Plarail trains that I brought from Lazada, SM Aura, and the SM Mega Mall. So let's start the first train. So here's the 200 color E2 Shinkansen. It has a maximum speed of 275 kilometers per hour. Runs on the Tohoku Shinkansen line. Next, we have the SpeedJet from Plarail Railway Company that has a maximum speed of 405 kilometers per hour. Next, we have the L0 Maglev from Chuo Shinkansen line or the linear Shinkansen line, has a maximum speed of 500 kilometers per hour or 505 kilometers per hour. Next, we have the Odakyu GSE from Odakyu Odawara line, has a maximum speed of 110 kilometers per hour. Next, the fifth one, we have the E531 Akaden, served as a Joban line, has a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour. Next, we have the sixth one in the middle. We have the N700S Shinkansen on Tokaido Shinkansen line, has a maximum speed of 285 kilometers per hour, and the Sanyo Shinkansen line has 300 kilometers per hour. The design speed is 360 and the test speed is 363 kilometers per hour. Next, we have the Tobu N700 or Spacia X, runs on the Tobu line, has a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Next, I have on my birthday is seafood delivery train E7 Kagayaki, featuring the crab, yellowfin tuna, and the shrimps. It has a 5 configuration cars. The ninth one is the Green Lake E657 Hitachi, has a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour and runs on the Joban line. Next, we have the Plarail Railway Company. White Stream has 405 kilometers per hour and the service speed is 310. And last but not the least, the Homecoming E3 Komachi has a maximum speed on the Tohoku Shinkansen line is 275 kilometers per hour and 130 kilometers per hour on the conventional lines or the Akita Shinkansen line. So there you have it, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and goodbye and God bless. Thank you.